choose me. I've let you cross me. My mind shuts down and I can't compete. My body's shaking and I'm scared to say just how I feel.
If you want to learn more how to trade, so how to read charts, paano malaman ang rotation, you are invited to join our masterclass natin on YC versus PH. We'll run an 8-week session coming from basics to advanced session and the techniques that we have personally developed and long-term investing principles behind. Yan. Yan
My
pala ng
mind
aking
shuts
stream.
down and
To,
I
yon.
can't
Magandang gabi po sa lahat.
compete. My
Yan, nakita niyan. Ang
body's
mag-share sa live.
shaking, and I'm scared
Kikita
to
ng
say just
limpak-limpak na
how I
salapi.
feel. Gotta turn on that
Natatawa ako sa
noise so I
pinagagagawa
can
ko.
let the
Alright, so
voice
good
in
evening again
me to
everyone. Thank you so
know.
much for
'Cause
tuning in.
if
It's a
you
Monday
won't
evening. It's
listen,
9:32
I
in the
might
evening
just
here in the
have to
Philippine Standard Time.
go.
11:22 of November 22nd of the year 2021. So we are here right now trading together here in the US market. MWF, thank you so much for tuning in. Please do help me share this live so people also can also get in touch with us when it comes to the forecast of what may happen in the market technically or some things that we can share together as a community. So let's get it directly. Of course, unahin natin ang SPX 500. Anong nangyayari kay SPX 500? Also, I have attended the QFU webinars nung weekend. Nako, may natutunan ako about price manipulation. So, okay, later on the live, ituturo ko yan sa mga na-observe ko. Especially for the crypto market. Yan, isa natin makikita dito later. So for now, what we can see in the SPX 500 is still rooting. It's still trying to break the previous resistance of this price. What price is this one? Yan. Okay, the which is 4719. So we are still actually a bit consolidating there, but if you try, or if we're gonna check, of course, tingnan natin yan, no? Ayun, no? We can actually see a trailing divergence there, no? And makita tayong trailing divergence dyan. But, okay. Ang crucial dito is kung magstay above siya dyan at i-breakout niya, medyo mag-i-invalidate tong divergence niya sa 4 hours. Pero if magkukontinue yan, ako, isang kalbaryo na talagang one part of the market, one part of the sector can really corrects, no? Kung in the next coming days. So sabi ko nga sa inyo, crucial yung the next 2 weeks since last week, no? Ito yung isa na nakikita natin, no? Titingnan natin. And of course, hindi natin ang tech stocks. So the tech stock, grabe ang tech stocks ngayon. No? Kita natin, no? Tinamaan yung resistance, no? Nagkaroon doon ng breakout. Pero tingnan mo nang nangyayari ngayon, no? Nagso-support siya sa major resistance natin. After breakout, it did support it on the initial day. The crucial here is hindi crucial is hindi tayo makakita ng divergence kasi if we do, we are expecting we may expect a possible, honestly, meron din nakikita. Ayan, ayan, nako. May nakita din ako dito. Ayan, ayan, yan. Nako, Diyos ko. May possible retracement again. So, meron tayong nakikita trailing na nangyayari sa divergence. The crucial here, if the next 4 hour, will it sustain the RSI 70 or the momentum dun. So, parang gusto ko mag-TP na maaga-aga kahit ganyan tsura niyan. Pero honestly, kung titingnan mo diyan, if the day will finish like this, okay, one thing that it's telling us, it wants to go higher. Ang nakakaano lang dito, guys, the market is going so excited. So excited in a way, tago natin itong mga retracement natin kasi binasag na niya yan. In a way na it is currently going to the most exciting part. Like yung most exciting part na siya. Before a very, kung titignan natin, no? Kung a very sharp pullback. Isa yan sa mga petsa na napapansin ko na possible mangyari sa market in the next few days. But definitely, maganda pa rin yung reaction ng market ngayon. Medyo, dapat na sa ganitong point, we are just riding it. Nagra-ride na along with it na lang tayo. Yan. Alright? So yan, isa natin, titingnan as we enter the market in general. Okay, what happened to me in Facebook? Let me check. I'm gonna check my Facebook na wala ang aking live sa Facebook. Ang naiwan ay yung mga YouTube. Bakit ganun? Tingnan natin. Baka na-disconnect lang tayo, boys. O baka may nag-report. Patay tayo dyan. Tingnan natin. Tingnan natin. Let me just check my Facebook live. What happened? Let me check lang muna, guys. Your video is blocked, can be viewed by others. Bakit ganun? Bakit ganun? Wala naman akong ginawa. Okay, what happened there? Wow. Alright. Let me share lang ano muna guys, nung ating YouTube live. Di muna. Wala sila sa YouTube guys. No? Only you can view. Bakit na-block yun? Delikado yan. No? Nako, patay tayo dyan. Sa YouTube guys. No? Uy, may nag-report yata. Hmm, that's something ano. Okay, see you here. See you here guys. Oh, nawala sila guys. Oo nga eh, what happened there, no? Gani doon, no? Ayan. Nawala nga sa Facebook, no? What happened there? Kasi dito your video is blocked. Can be viewed by others. Hindi mo na wala mo ginagawa. Lahat ng ginagamit kong songs are... Ba't kaya, no? Ano ginawa natin? Hindi nga ako naglagay ng link eh. Pansin nyo? Wala akong nilagay ng link. Doon pa na-block. Weird. Okay. Check natin. Reshare natin yan sa ano. Oo nga, ba't gano'n, no, Reg? What happened there, no? Na-block siya. Edit natin, tapos remove natin to. Ano nangyari doon, no? Weird. Wait lang, ah. View on Facebook. Okay, you're about to view on Facebook. Mhm. Share mo muna sa YouTube Live. Yun nga ginawa ko eh. Oh, yan. Kaya check natin ulit. Yan. Check natin kung meron na. Nakikita ko dito sa StreamYard. Nakikita niya kung ilan ang kasama natin tonight. Pero nagtataka ako, bakit ganun siya? Tanggalin natin to. Yan. I-remove natin to sa Facebook. Then, re-live tayo sa Facebook. Ano lang muna tayo guys give me 1 second. Ano nangyari sa atin dyan? Honestly, hindi ako naglagay ng links eh. Pansin nyo? Wala ako nilagay ng links. Doon pa ako na-block. Siguro yung Spotify ko. Wait lang. Tanggalin natin tong Spotify ko. Ba't kaya gano'n, no? Spotify ko naman is yun yung mga ginagamit ko na songs na may nag-report siguro, no? Sama naman yun. Disclaimer naman. Diba? Weird, no? Wait lang, kuha tayo ng live. Okay. Alright. Yan. Lalagay ako dito ng ating link. Okay. Weird, no? So weird. Anyway. Alright. Tayo. Ayan. Meron tayo dito sa Facebook. Meron din tayong YouTube. Nag-try din ako mag-live sa Facebook. At hindi siya nagla-live sa Facebook. You are live. Okay. Tayo natin kung magkakaroon. Let me restart, guys. Let me restart. I'm back. Ayan, okay na. Dapat meron na to. Share ko lang. Kunyari doon, no? Ba't kaya nawala? Ayan, bumalik na ako. Pero, ayan, biglang nakikita natin, no? Okay, hopefully back na ako sa Facebook. Alright, so dito na tayo sa YouTube magsama-sama. Okay, ewan ko ba't biglang nawala. Pero anyway, ito yung natutunan ko ng weekend. May tinatawag na price action manipulation strategy. Okay, one insight siguro, before we go to the crypto world, no? I attended this webinar nung weekend. A paid webinar. Ito yung, nakita nyo tong dito na part. Itong area na to sa Bitcoin, sa sentiment. Okay. In terms of the market cap, si Bitcoin sa gold and everything, no, medyo maliit, kayang-kayang pagalawin siya ng mga market makers. Si crypto. Now, the only problem with right now is also one insight. Lahat ng assets sa buong mundo, 90% are 80% to 90% robot ang nagpapagalaw. Plus market makers pa. 10 to 20% lahat ng asset na tinitrade is retailers. Sa buong mundo So market makers plus robot ang gumagawa, including crypto. So kung titingnan mo guys, pag nagkaroon ng isang flash, kasi fina-follow yan ng fina-follow mismo ng algorithm. No? Pag nakakita ng short, mag-short, plus mayroon tinatawag na short squeeze, plus mayroon tinatawag na
forced liquidation, may mga gano'n yung na-attendan ko. Ito yung natutunan ko. Isa sa mga nakita ko nung webinar na na-attendan ko is this one. Okay, like example, si crypto. Lagi siyang merong false breakout, tapos dalawang tuktok. Ito, finoresight nyo. Force break, like ito, tama dito, trying to break out, ito to, yan. No? Meron siyang mga tries na breakout. Ito malupit dyan, no? Ang tawag ito, false breakout. Yeah, tama, false breakout. Okay. False breakout, pas meron divergence. Okay, may mga divergence na namumuo, tapos trailing. Kita nyo yung trailing sa daily. Kita mo yung flash na nangyari after. Itong part na tinatawag nila dito sa Bitcoin is, honestly, hindi lang sa Bitcoin eh. Yung strategy na napanood ko was into the price manipulation. May price manipulation something strategy. So, kung titignan mo dito, ito parang tinatawag nilang winter times. Pero kung titignan mo nung breakout daw, honestly, titignan mo din in general. Oh. Ayan, no? False breakout, kasi ang gagawin niyan, since nakapag-ipon na dito, week of theory, no? I'm teaching that in the masterclass. After they accumulate, they're gonna push it the price down. Pasok yung mga retailers, institutions, lahat yan. Ipipitik nila para may mga last na sumakay pa. Tapos yung force liquidate. Tingnan mo yung nangyari by the chart, no? Oh, yan. Breakout plus. Ayan, tapos nakakita tayo dito ng mga bearish divergence. Okay. Yan nakita natin. Then, nagkaroon ng flush plus itong retest. Pag retest na nito, wala na. Dalawang, isa pa, pattern din to, di ba? Pattern na alam natin, double top. Another breakdown. So, kung nakita mo na yan dyan sa retest na yan sa price action, dito pala magbabawas ka na. Especially, itong era na to. Talagang magbabawas ka na ng crypto mo, pero yung mga asset mo, pero itong laki kasi nito eh. Parang late ka na dyan eh. Itong candle na to, medyo parang alanganin ka na, plus ito pa. Oh. Plus nag-open pa siya below. Ito, yan. Oh, yan oh. I-zoom in natin. Oh. After a bounce of the EMA50, then in-retest, then i-close below. Dapat dito, wala ka na. Or dito, wala ka na. Kasi break of the trend na tong consolidation na yan. So, yun yung nakikita ko ngayon. Yan yung nakikita ko ngayon that I would like to share with you guys. No? I would like to share with you guys tonight. Okay, tonight. What is that? Tingnan mo nangyayari sa Bitcoin ngayon. It's the same thing that is actually happening. Kita nyo? Ayan, no? There is a massive, though corrected na siya, pero nagkakaroon ng trailing na divergence. We had a breakout, then a false breakout twice, like it did before here. Okay, it did before here. Ito pa isa eh, no? Honestly, ito pa, another pattern that we know, no? Rising wedge. After a breakout, there is a retest here, only a bounce, a dead cat bounce around this area. It's repeating the same thing. Pero siguro sinabing nag-liquidate na ako ng Bitcoin ko. Ang laki na yung binagsak ng port ko because of that flash na nangyari. Laki from 12,000 in the past 7 days, I think. Almost $2,000 yung na-flash din sa akin. So, a crucial here is, ito nakikita ko. Para prepared kayo lahat technically. Ang daming news na, we know that the market is manipulated by the media. The market is manipulated 80%, 90% of the market makers around the globe. No? They want you to believe and invest if there's a lot of noise. Diba? They want you to put all in your money for especially for those who don't know, if it's already too high. If it's already too high from this area to that area, diba? It's already that area to this area, no? That's like how many percent from the growth in just a short period of time, no? And syempre, lahat ng good news lalabas siya sa tuktok. And we are in the euphoria stage. Okay, so bash me if you want, but reality is too hard for us to understand since everyone is doing well or earning. Reality don't sink in unless we see a very very sharp drop, no? Kasi diyan lalabas yung mga news, may mga news na about El Salvador and everything. But coming from price action, let me go back to the price action. Coming from that drop, from this drop, we are seeing a same pattern all over again. The question is, will it will it happen again or not? No? No? On a price action basis. No? Oh, here's the optimistic part. Here's to balance everything. Before we go to your kasi very important to eh. Ganda to eh. Okay? Ito for the stock market. If you're actually part of the masterclass, there's what we call the intrinsic value. Bitcoin does not have intrinsic value because Bitcoin, crypto, the value is dictated by the investors. Wala siyang business na generate. Hindi siya business na that what dictates the price is the business that you actually kumbaga yung business na provide niya, no? Yung share price, no? Kaya umaangat yung earnings per share. Wala. Everything is valued on the speculation. No, speculation. Okay. In intrinsic value, we can actually do the strike through trend line. No? Ito, pang masterclass ito. No? Strike to trend line. Ito intrinsic value. Sabihin natin, ito na lang intrinsic value niya. Okay, we are in the lower channel. Okay? But on a balance area naman ng ano din natin, we are in the lower channel of the uptrend. So it's a matter of time. No? It's a matter of time. Honestly guys, no, yung mga masterclass graduates natin doon, by next Saturday, may dadagdag ako sa module natin. Ganda, sobrang lupit. Price action din sa next topic natin. Just to balance things out, no, we are still in the lower high. The question is, ngayon, will the lower high bounce and go to the uptrend again, or drop and then reverse to the downtrend? So, two things. Two things na kailangan natin gawin dito. Bantayan na natin. Okay, bantayan na natin. Crucial na eh. Crucial na eh. It's either a full drop. Okay, ito magandang question to si Mike. Are we expecting a good run after Thanksgiving? Okay, good yan, good yan. Alright, so technical muna tayo. Then i-share ko to sa inyo. It's 9:49 in the evening. Please do share this live because this is a very, very good insight for those who don't know technical statistics and trend line. I don't know the fundamentals a lot from the Bitcoin, but price action, I can read it. No, in a sense, I can protect my investment and confirm it as the price moves and up and down. Okay, now technically, ito yung nakikita ko dito kay Bitcoin. Ayan. So on the supply zone or the closest resistance, it's trying to bounce but hindi pa siya totally nag-bounce, no? We are seeing a short-term. Asan yung mga moving average ko na wala? Oh, okay. Kulang tong 5M ako. Dapat 6M to. Tanggalin natin to. Mamaya na pala. Okay, saan dito? Ako, hindi ko may close. Ako, teach me guys. Nawala. Hindi ko may close. Okay. Ako, nawala. Ako, nakita na lahat ng indicator ko dito. Wait lang ha. Paano ba ito i-close? Nawala yung bar. Nawala yung bar. Yun. Yan. Okay. Okay. There you go. Balik natin. So ngayon, nagre-retest pa siya. Ang question dito is, magko-consolidate ka ba hanggang dito sa trend line para iangat mo or ibaba mo? Ang another question dito is, yung MA20 mo or MA50 mo, will it be your resistance or will you break it out to be your next support again? So very, very crucial yung isang buong linggo na to for the mother coin. Kasi dito nagbe-base yung sentiment ng crypto world. And bilis ng drop na nangyayari, no? So, bilis ng drop. So, again, in summary, before we go to that, itong question ni Sir Mike. Okay. Una, price action manipulation strategy na tinuro nung weekend, we saw a lot of patterns that happened here between 2021. Okay, itong round na yan. False breakout, manipulate, then ibinagsak. We are seeing a rising wedge. We did so a short-term price rejection. So, nagkaroon ng price rejection, then nagkaroon ng rally, then another trend that is happening. So, the question is, babalik, ano ba to? Uulitin ba niya to? Or iangat niya higher? Optimistic ako initially because my may TP or sabihin natin is around 70,000 to 72 ang mga sinasabi ng mga experts, no? 70 to 70 to 100 daw. Okay daw. Okay, but currently we can actually see we are seeing a weakness on the momentum and even on the price action. So dami natin nakikitang weakness so far. So that's why for those who are watching or following me, I wanted to warn you guys, to not to put a lot of money, huwag kayong magdagdag masyado. If hindi mag-confirm to, i-cut loss nyo na. Or, depende sa inyo, kung if you want to average down, it's up to you. Okay? If may profit kayo, secure it. But better na secure the win, no? None you don't secure at all. Okay, there's a question here about Thanksgiving holiday, if magra-run ba siya o hindi. Let's go to statistics. No, ayan, di ba? Kompleto. Yan ang WIPH, guys. May technicals, may statistics. Di ba? Elite Club, Masterclass. Okay, diyan. Alright, tingnan natin dito. Ano ba to? Ba't lumalabas yung mga ganyan? Okay, let's go to statistics ng Bitcoin. Okay. Kaso mabibigay ko lang sa inyo 5 years. Kasi yung siya mababa pa, bago lang naman to eh, no? Okay, tingnan natin. Para ma-balance out din natin kung anong possible mangyari. Teka lang. Monthly stocks update. Yeah. Okay. Alright. So, initially, Bitcoin is definitely a correlated with stock market or the equity market. It usually follows correlation with the stock market. Check nyo lang. Pag bumabagsak na market, followed by Bitcoin. Diba? Hindi naman sila, they don't hedge against the equity. No? Parang nagiging part siya ng portfolio for the risk on investment. So syempre, ang opposite correlation is your dollar, is your gold. Diba? Yan yung hinahan nila. No? So, okay. Now, the question is, ano yung statistics? Meron tayo ditong statistics, September report ni Elite Club. So if you wanted to know more about mga statistics about that, meron tayo sa Elite Club nun. Para mas maintindihan nyo, meron kayong backup technical. Meron ka rin backup statistics, no? Statistical. Okay. Ayan. So this is my report last September. Okay, September. All right. So Grayscale Bitcoin Trust is one of the largest fund in the Bitcoin world, no? So, during September, nagkaroon tayo ng crash, but based on statistics, in the 5 years natin, though it's not that significant at all, but at least meron tayong basis, no? Nakita nyo, nag-drop nung September. Okay? Expected namin yun sa Elite Club tsaka sa stock market, sa masterclass. Kasi meron kami statistic to back it up. So, ngayon, nag-rally siya ng October, nag-rally din siya ng November, tapos nagko-correct. So, ngayon, it's either two things. Will it rally further for November, December? Or will it initially, mauuna siya by January? Kasi January, usually, 40% percent probability na bumabagsak siya. November, December, 40% probability na aangat siya November. Yung like mag-close siya from October by 17%. December, regarding your question, is 60% probability we are still in the bull run and we're still alive on the bull run because the equity market is still alive in the bull run as well. So, two things na lang yan. Mauuna ba itong follow ba niya yung statistics or mauuna siya? Kasi magko-correct yan by January. Or mauuna ba yan by December? So only time can tell. We have the optimism for the statistics and we need to validate it on the technicals. Okay, so slide 56, of course, extend natin ng konti yan. Crypto market. Kasi alam ko marami sa inyong hype na hype sa crypto ngayon. But syempre, sama natin yan. Okay, good. Let's go to Ethereum. I actually bought Ethereum a few days ago. I did bought like ito. Bumili ako ng dalawang bili around $800. I'm rooting for it to bounce on the moving average 50 because price action tells me that after a breakout, if it becomes a support, it can actually go higher. So kaya sa lahat, doon ko binomba. Okay? One thing also that I learned about Ethereum, fundamentally, sorry guys, wala akong alam sa crypto kasi crypto is like the Microsoft of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is your index, something like that, no? Ethereum is like the Microsoft. Oh, yung tutunan ako sa webinar. So, okay, Microsoft, parang siyang program, di ba? Tama ba, guys? Tama ba? Okay. But, I'm just basing because of the crypto, hindi kasi ako nade-trade ng mga sobrang liliit. Kung maglalagay ako dyan, maliit lang din. Kasi hindi ko kayang bantayan. Okay? Alright? Wala akong oras bantayan. Doon ako sa malalaking market cap para protected ako pag mga sudden drop. Kung mga maliliit, bumabagsak ng 30% to 50%, at least ako, mga 5% lang, 3%. Kasi malaking market cap, protected ako. Okay, parang blue chips. Ito ang nakikita natin ngayon, no? Sa Ethereum, ang good news sa Ethereum currently is it's holding the entire demand zone, the previous supply zone or the previous resistance that it's turning now to a support. So I'm rooting into that technically. Okay? I'm just waiting for it to break out. And it's still uptrend because I might close all my position if it's trading below here. That's one. Okay? Ang second lang din na hindi ko gusto dito is meron kaya siya nag-drop because of this massive, ito pinakita niya, no? Massive na divergence din. Hindi ko lang gusto mangyari dito is magkaroon din ulit siya ng false breakout katulad ng ginagawa niya kay Bitcoin. Magkaroon ng false breakout, ito ibagsak. Pero ang gagawin niya ginagawa, itong dalawang area na to, I'm still gonna hold on to what I bought. Yung mga kita ko sa ibang coin, nilagay ko dito so far. Okay? Yeah. The rest are free assets. So, the rest are free assets na siya. So, kahit bumagsak yan, house money, tawag nila. Okay? Let's review the others. BNB. Okay, sa BNB, two things lang what I saw in BNB. Sige, ko lang naman i-review to. Okay. One thing of being optimistic in BMD is we are seeing a huge cap in handle, huge cap or a double bottom or okay, or ito mga yan, mga low. Tapos ito, yan, no? Parang laking cap. So, ngayon, hanggang buhay itong trend na to, okay pa naman tayo. Pero yun nga lang, pare-pareho lang sila na itsura ng ginagawa. Nagre-retest lang yan sa previous support niya and rooting for the trend. And then, based on the angle, malakas pa talaga siya, si BNB. So, kung bibili ng BNB, kung meron kayo position sa ilalim, kahapon yung bili, supposedly. No. 3 days ago, itong bounce na to. Yung green candle. Kahit yung red candle, pwede na to. Confirmation natin that buhay pa yung trend if this gonna continue or break out of the MA20. So far, is it still safe to buy? It's up to your risk. Okay, risk. Mga 12% risk ka na dyan or 14% if you're gonna buy today, no? Today. But risk-reward ratio, you are closer to the resistance na siya. Very strong resistance. Okay? Another one is BNB, Ethereum, XRP. Let's go to XRP. Then we go to your chat box. Let's extend the crypto topic until 10:15 before we go to the stock market. Okay. Sa XRP, it's doing a very huge sideways. Okay, sideways following this show like mga yan, no? Yan. Yun din, no? Honestly, may mga price manipulation din nangyayari, dalawa on the horizontal area. So, again, my approach on XRP is I'm gonna buy it on the mga lowest possible prices because parang ang utility yung gamit niya, no? So, mga dito na area, mga bili dyan, huwag nyo habulin momentum. Kasi yung momentum niya din na mahina, hindi rin ganun kalakas. Compare mo kay Ethereum, compare mo kay Bitcoin, in terms of mga hatak niya. Ito kasi, tapos na to no? Wala na yan like because of the hype and all. So, lahat, no? Pero tingnan mo pag nag-momentum siya, hindi tini-continue, no? Possible, it's really because of its DNA. We're not sure. But if you're gonna buy XRP because of what you see, buy it on a sideways trade. Mga low na yan, mga low, diyan ka bumili. Safe ka dyan. Huwag ka bibili ng mga breakout. Don't ever buy a breakout if it's not yet confirmed as support. As a very strong support. Huwag ka bibili basta-basta ng mga breakout. Di kasi niya ugaling mag-breakout. That's the DNA of XRP. Okay? Let's go again. Palisan na natin para makakuha natin lahat ng mga crypto traders na. Ito ang hindi ko gusto. There's a lot of catalysts happen or even the Elite Club research gave a buy price on our ADA. Even ako na medyo medyo may position ako dyan na negative. Ayan, no? Bumosisyon din ako dyan because of our research. I did $300 there. Nagdagdag ako. The rest are free assets. So, may isa akong capital dito na ipit. Ito lang capital. Dalawa pala. Isa ito, isa to. Mga almost 420. The rest are free asset. No? Yun lang yung nakasugal dyan. Ang hindi ko gusto kay XRP, kay ADA, it's trading below my trend line. It's trading below the trend line, a strong trend line, and it's acting the resistance na. So, based on my observation, it's following this downtrend already. Which is I don't like. Tinitingnan ko lang kung magkakaroon ito ng cut loss ako dito or not eh, in the next few days. But right now, malakas pa naman siya because it's playing around this trend, itong trend na to. Ito yan, yun. Yan, ito, yan, oh, ito. So, nandun pa naman siya. Yun nga lang, on a daily chart, ang di ko gusto kay Cardano or ADA, meron ng rejection from the trend line. Ayun, no, merong rejection doon. May rejection na rin ipinakita that validates the downtrend. The downtrend. Isa yun. So, for now, I'll let it be kasi nandun pa naman siya sa strong support zones ko. There's still a chance na iangat niya. But if makakita ako ng momentum pababa nito, maybe I'll remove or cut loss this position. Sinasabi ko lang na I'm always not right. Okay? I'm always not right. Most of the time, I'm not right. Okay? Okay. Let's go to your ano tayo. Alright. So, I hope, Sir Mike, I answer your question. Okay. IOTA. Sige, let's go to IOTA. Tingnan natin yung mga unang nag-comment. Thank you so much for sharing the live, guys. Thank you so much for supporting this one. I hope everyone watching tonight also had a very, very good experience on what we do. Okay, for IOTA, kasi the overall sentiment is still shaky. No? Overall sentiment is still shaky. For this one, I would suggest na talagang abangan mo na lang sa support ulit. Kasi shaky nga yung buong sentiment eh, no? So, I would not support this breakout trade, no? Itong breakout trade na yan. Kasi wala hindi pa totally pa like validated na. Okay, bull run ulit tayo hanggang December. Wala pa. Wala pa. But if you want to rest it out, you had a good setup, you had a breakout there. Ingat ka lang dito sa area na to because it's actually resisting. So, isa yon na dapat mo tingnan. Good thing lang din dyan. So, may buy area siya yesterday. Yesterday, ito, yung candle na yun. Buy area yun. Okay? There's also a comment here. Wala din sa Eden, dito na lang sa YouTube. What happened today? Ay, meron na, bumalik na tayo sa Facebook. Thank you so much for tuning into our YouTube channel as well. Yan. Ang mahal niyang price action manipulation ko. Coach ka talaga ng masterclass. You know. Basa, sumabay ka last year. Alam mo eh. Okay, text giving opinion on DFace EO Lodi. Check out 4 months old na. In terms of mga ICO, Sir Gico, I'm sorry if I'm not really an expert to that. So mga DeFi, mga DeFi IO or mga NFTs or mga ICO, I'm not really into the research of the crypto. Maybe siguro sa stock market, doon kasi nakatuon yung buong focus ng group. But technically, we can trade the crypto world. No? Yan. Kinakabahan tuloy ako sa crypto ngayon. Be objective. Be objective. It's always... Okay, this is what I learned through the years of trading. No? Maybe this can help you, no? Itong quote na to. Okay, trade, invest on what you see. Okay? Not on what you know. Yan. Okay. Yan. I hope that helps, no? Kasi bakit, guys, no? I've been this is just a personal opinion, no? Personal opinion. Hindi ako nakaposisyon nung masyado nung pandemic because I feel like I'm expert during that time, no? Itong drop na to. I've been keeping on shorting. Laki ng kinita ko dito, honestly. I've been really a lot of earnings on this drop. But the psychology tells me na okay, babagsak ba yan kasi may pandemic and all those stuff. I've been keep on shorting these highs. Kumikita ako at some point, pero Yung long term na part, hindi ko na posisyonan. Because I was thinking na babagsak pa yan, dami pang cases, it will not recover until hanggang sinusupport nila technically, o babagsak pa yan, uulit pa ng isang yan. Ang dami nagsasabi, babagsak pa ulit ng isang ganito. More than that. Tapos magkakaroon ng sobrang laking downtrend. Okay, but the price is telling me, uptrend na eh. Diba? Uptrend na. So, what I learned through the years is this one. Yung mga catalyst, yung mga news na yan, all are, those are all noise, no? Pwede mo mag-research in advance, but always the price action always is the king or the rule or like the most you need to consider. If it's an uptrend, then it's an uptrend. If it's a downtrend, then it's a downtrend. So, kaya binalance natin between being optimism because of the cyclic or also on the price action. So, wala pa tayong nakikitang validation sa sinasabi ko na cons. I'm just warning you. Yun lang yun. I hope, no? Nakaano dyan. Okay, let's go. Ayan. Let's go tayo. Let's go to mana. Okay, mga nagliliparan. Okay, mga nagliliparan. Okay, mana. Let's go to mana. Ayan, si mana. All right, there you go, there you go, there you go. Okay, I see a buy opportunity for mana. I see a buy opportunity for mana. Ito lang. Let's do a 4-hour setup here. We have a current continuation pattern. If it's gonna close on the next 4 hours, as long as it stays here on this level, baka magkaroon na naman tayo another breakout. Ang ganda ng trend niya sa 4-hour chart. Ayun o. Breakout, retest, breakout, retest, breakout, retest. On the daily chart, I can see a very strong momentum. Very strong momentum si Mana. So far, malakas siya. Oh, walang divergence and all those stuff. So, in the next few hours, if it's gonna sustain, pwede itong posisyonan. Pwede itong posisyonan. Honestly, may breakout na nga, no? May breakout na nga si Mana. Pwede itong posisyonan. Of course, hindi naman na always yan dyan. Pwede yung bumagsak. Dapat, alam mo, risk mo, ganito. Dapat ang risk mo dyan dapat mga 12% if you're gonna enter on this breakout here. So, price action, yes, good. You're good to go. If it's gonna close there, in the next 15 minutes. Hindi pa tapos yung kandila eh. Ayan pa siya, kaka-breakout lang niya. Kung ako yan, since malaki yung spread niyan, ito yung mariresk ko dyan, 12% ang risk ko. Hindi ako mga ganyan, mga dito ako, 12%. Yan. Okay? Let's go to LTC. Ano nangyari? May 10 o'clock. Oh, yan. 5 minutes. Bilisan na natin. 5 minutes. LTC, ayan. Ito, honestly, initially, ang ganda ng LTC. Initially, ang ganda ni LTC. After breakout, I thought it will actually do a very strong momentum because of this consolidation here. But it did not. Okay? Compared to, hindi siya nag-follow. Now, it's trying to be a resistance. The question is, right now, is ito. Ito siya. Okay. Ayan. Magsusustain ba tong support na to? So, yun yung tanong natin dito. So, if ang entry dito is two things, no? On this area, bibili ka dyan, or on this breakout here. Ayan, on this breakout, sorry, ito. Yan. Yan ang mga buy points dyan. Support ka ba kukuha o breakout confirmation ka? Yan ang mga pwedeng play mo dyan. Okay? Good thing, nasa lower channel, below nga lang sa strike to trend line. So, you're good. You're good to go. After ng kaso ng XRP, tataas yung XRP. After ng kaso, pero ngayon hindi pa. Nagsa-sideways pa siya. Consider it a sideways. Di ba? Sir Mike, tama ba? Sideways yan. Pag sideways ang market, saan mo bibilin? Di ba? Sideways. Sideways, saan mo bibili? Sa gitna? Sa baba. Wala pang kaso. Dito tayo bumili. Para safe. Di ba? Rule number 1, never lose money. Rule number 2, go back to rule number 1. Diba? Or cut your losses short and let your profits run. Never buy a single idea. Daming mga risk management quotes. Nasa Nasa masterclass natin yan. Okay. CRO. Okay, I believe ano natin to guys, chart natin to last week, no? I told you guys it's actually going momentum after seeing a few patterns there. It did actually try to break out twice. So ngayon nagmo-momentum pa din siya, malakas yung momentum nito. So kung ganito yung tsura nito, I would suggest go to 4-hour chart and trail the MI20. Yan, ito. Dito tayo. Trail MI20. Promise. Maniwala ka. Pag tumama ng MA20 yan, bilhin mo. Sa 4-hour chart, malakas pa eh. Okay? Trail the MA20 on the 4-hour chart or within this zone. Ito, zone na to. Initially, yan. Okay. Right now, we are seeing a very strong consolidation at the high with this one. So, hintayin muna natin siyang mag-subside. So, baka kasi itong yellow line na yan, kumapit. So, ito, bumagsak dito. So, pag nag-meet yan dyan, plus your trend line, ako, buy point. Okay, buy point yan kay Crow. So, we are seeing a momentum, very healthy trend after this consolidation. So, 4-hour chart is your key. Yan. Okay? Let's go to Phil USDT. Alam na masterclass kung bakit. Like, you can see it, guys, no? O, ayan. Nakikita nyo ba yung Russian Shuriken? Ayun. No? Russian Shuriken technique. Diba? O, yan. No? Trend following momentum. 45 degrees angle. Okay. ENG, PL USDT. Yan. Phil USDT. Atin natin to si Phil. Okay. Alright, tingnan natin ang trend. After a trend, binigsak and all those stuff. Okay. Bearish ako dito, guys. Bearish ako. Okay. Another lesson siguro, and after the stock drop or after a drop at least 20%, you are in the bearish, you are in a bearish zone. 80% drop, so almost 100%. So if you're gonna buy those supports, tingnan mo muna yung buong healthy ng market, no? Katulad nung nangyari kay Hood. Nasa tuktok yung buti hindi tinamaan yung buy point ko doon. Nag set order ako kay Hood. Breakout ng 1 hour. No, sa 1 hour within that day. Sabi ko, kailangan gusto ko breakout bilhin kasi yung buong market nasa resistance. So if you're seeing the support but the market is at the top, baka basagin to. Kita nyo yung point? Yung baka basagin. Okay? Hindi ko alam fundamentals. I'm just telling you the technical behind, no? No, may bagsak pa niyan is slow. Hindi pa yan nagmo-momentum. So, kung mag-momentum yan, bisang ganyan. Hanggang dito. Yeah. So far, hindi ko muna to titingnan ko muna. I'm gonna observe it. Nag-stop ako. Bakit ako nag-i-stop? Ano nangyari sa akin? Ito, swerte ng XM. Yung brand niya. Nandiyan sa taas. Okay. Di tayo. Si Elite Club ang dapat natin. Nag-stop ako. Okay na? Alright. So, 2 few minutes. Ano tayo? Let's go to Let's go to Solana. Ayan. Ito rin gusto ko to. Saka si Polkadot. Bakit ko natutunan sa talaga mag-aaral. Di nauubos, no? Okay, so Solana. So, let's go to Solana. Solana. Okay. Sorry, dumi na ng chart. Aggressive kasi. Okay, I think I told you guys to buy this one. If you buy, kumita kayo lahat. Congrats. I told you guys to buy this support here. Kung kumita kayo dyan, kumita rin kayo doon. Ngayon ang trend line natin. Ngayon, ingat muna because it's actually hitting our resistance. But we have a strong support. Kung magkaroon to ng breakout dito, bilhin natin siya. Yan. Kita nyo? Yan. So, price action tells us na ito yung ano niyan. Yan. Kung magkaroon ng breakout within this range, 237 area, magkaroon ng breakout dyan, pwede natin bilhin. So, ngayon, honestly, pwede na may test buy ngayon. It's just that, gusto natin confirmation ng green candle. Kung magkaroon ng green candle opening, kung matapos yan ganyan, tapos kinabukasan may green candle opening, as long as it's actually above your moving average 20, pwede yan. Okay? Pwede siya. If it's close above 220, open to 220, kahit malapit sa resistance, pwede tayo mag-test buy. Ngayon, observe muna. Kasi kung titingnan mo yung high lows, yan. Baka bumagsak yan dito. All right, Cisco, let's go to the stock market ETC, Ethereum Classic, Ethereum Classic. Ano, di ba? False breakout. Yun yung mga ayaw natin. False breakout. Daming iniipit yan. Okay. Ako, delikado to. Alright. Trading below 200 MA, sideways market. Tingnan natin kung may divergence. Wala pa naman tayo nakikitang divergence. Ito. Wala. Okay, for this one, check natin. Kung pupunta muna sa major support. Okay, hindi ko kukunin yan mga liliit na support na to. Kasi kahit i-breakout niya yan, guys, daming resistance eh. So, tingnan natin dito sa ano, kung bumuo siya ng support. Tingnan natin. Dito, mas maganda dito siya bumuo. Magpakita ng magandang candle. So far ngayon, high risk. High risk. Okay? Alright, so it's 10:17 in the evening. We're done at the crypto market. Matic. No. Tingnan pa natin si Polkadot. Polka tsaka Matic pala. Polkadot. Ang kulit ng pangalan, no? Pero maganda to si Polkadot. Maganda si Polkadot. Sa recommendation na napanood kong webinar. May mga na-realize din ako. Sarap din aralin, no? Pinapanood ko webinar, ha? $100 million yung kinita nung... Pinakita niya yung port niya. $100 million yung kinita niya. Galing, no? Okay. So, this one, we are in the lower support levels on this channel here. Tingnan natin itong channel nito. After a false breakout there, we are in this initially supply zone currently, and we are seeing stabilizing the support. Very strong support. So ngayon, breakout hinihintay natin. Breakout or kahit papaano man lang, no? Kahit papaano mag-touch man lang dito sa MA200 ulit. Tingnan natin. So observe muna tayo. Observe muna tayo for Polkadot. Last is Matic. Last natin to. Same lang din. So we are seeing a downtrend. We are seeing this one. We can see also a strong price action there, no? Ayan, no? Medyo downtrend bearish line ang itsura niya. Consolidating squeezing between your MI20 and MA100. So, yung mga ganitong play, mas better yan, breakout dito. Breakout on that level. MA20, price action, ayan, breakout on that level. If it's gonna break out or establish a support, then good to enter tayo sa mga ganito. Sa Matic, especially yung mga ganyan. Okay, gold is diving. Let's check at gold. Tingnan natin to. Tingnan natin. Okay, kung nagda-dive si gold, ibig sabihin, risk on si market. Okay, yun ako yun, malupit na malupit kay gold. Denied nga talaga niya after consolidating. So, hindi mas strong ang sentiment ng mga buyers. Ang nakakatawa dito, guys, no? Ang ano dito, ito crucial kay gold. Initially, nag-reversal. So, isang sign dito, nako, baka hindi magtuloy-tuloy itong angat ng stock market, Napagano na ako, eh. Nag-breakout si gold, eh. Breakout si gold. The question is right now, since nagkaroon ng false breakout, is your MA20 or your price action there gonna support it? So, ngayon, observe muna tayo for gold. After that breakout, massive breakout, tingnan muna natin. Kasi marami pa namang support yan, eh, no? Marami pang support yan dito. May price action pa tayo. So, tingnan natin kung paano magiging reaction. Hindi pa tapos yung araw, 7 hours to go, dahil pa pwede mangyari. Unless 1 hour to go, deciding factor na. Okay? Let's go to ano tayo, guys? Let's go to the sectoral rotation. Okay, sectoral rotation tayo. Okay, yep. XPX 500, let's check the last few days since Friday, nag-trade tayo together. If you can remember, let's check after the day trading day. Okay, there you go. Alright, so as expected, guys, sabi ko nga sa inyo, ingat kayo sa energy stocks. Kasi, nakita nyo yung energy stocks, no? Nag-breakdown. Ano ko, kawawa yung mga energy stocks na to. Breakdown of the support. Okay, so ngayon, nahanap tayo ng bounce trade ngayon dito. Kasi malakas pa naman tong sentiment na yan. Hanap tayo ng bounce sa sector, saka tayo pumosisyon. Kung bumagsak man yan further, hanap tayo. Kasi baka mag-possible pa. Okay? Another one na iwas ko yun, sabi ko sa inyo, iwas kayo sa financials. Okay? Kasi masyado overpriced. But we are seeing a support happening tingnan natin kung magkaroon ng financial support. I'm still bullish on the financial sector. Okay, the momentum of the Nasdaq or the tech stocks or the computer stock is still good. Your consumer discretionary is also doing good if we're gonna zoom it in on the past 3 months. It's actually doing a breakout already. So mga consumer discretionary, you know what to do, no? It's mean to say the spending power of the Americans is increasing. Consumer discretionary good na, di ba? Alright, so nakita natin itong dalawang sector is really lifting the whole index. This sector, yan. The rest, pababa. Pababa yung sector. The technology is way to go. Yan. If anong gusto nyo makita, I'm gonna give you the SPDR. SPDR. Yan. Okay. Ito ang mga laman ng XLK. Okay na mawala dyan. XLK, kung nagmo-momentum yung consumer discretionary, hanapan nyo ng stock position ngayon. Ayan. Tingnan natin to SLK. SLK. Kasi, ito, question. Ito question na. Ano ba yung gusto ko tanungin? Is Facebook a technology company? Tanong natin yan. Is Facebook a technology company? Isa rin na siya ko, wow. Hindi pala siya. Yes or no? Facebook ba technology? Is it part of technology? Facebook ba yan? Yeah, tama, Facebook. Tama, is that the question? That's the right question. Yes or no? XLK. Why pinipull out ko sa technology? Para mabigay ko sa chat box. 7 minutes before the market opens. Tingnan natin. XLK, yan. Okay, bibigyan natin dito yung portfolio. Mga trade calls, naglalabasan na sa gold. Okay, ayan ang mga technology companies nyo. Okay, XLK, yan. Okay, basahin nyo lahat yan. Marami yan. I think that's around 100. Yan yung mga laman ng technology. Kung wala sumagot, is Facebook a technology company? May sumagot ba? Wala yata. Galing nito. Very good. No, it's communication services. Okay, so wag niyo pag sinabi technology, Facebook, communication. Galing. Yun. Yan mga, buti alam nyo. Buti, no? Buti finalo up niyan. Kasi marami na diyan, marami nagkakamali na dinig ko ba. Before I was also one of them. Okay, there you go. Let's go to the US market. Okay, let's go to US market. We have 6 minutes before the market opens. Okay, another question of price manipulation strategy is will sustain? Okay, if we see a red candle there, we might possible in a bearish area. So, tingnan natin kung magkaroon ng red candle to. We can see a bearish divergence if that happens. But as for now, it's still bullish. Look for stocks that still on a breakout or a like a pattern diretso. So, since pinag-usapan natin si Facebook, tingnan natin si Facebook. Tingnan natin si Facebook. Meta Platform. Okay, so Meta Platform is up by 1%. As you mentioned guys, kung bumili kayo last week nito, at least binavalidate naman niya ang ating head and shoulder. Yan, binavalidate niya ang ating head and shoulder. Okay. So, tingnan natin kung mag-sustain ng todo. So, dito. Ito ba yung neckline? Yan. Tingnan natin ito neckline. Yan, ang neckline. Hopefully, ito ang neckline. So, binavalidate ni Facebook. Facebook is still undervalued. I review the intrinsic value, fair value, pati PEG ratio. Lahat nasa ano pa to. So, it's very, very good buy for Facebook. Kaya bumili ako niyan. Kaya bumili ako ng Facebook. Maliit nga lang, mali, no? Alibaba, let's go to Alibaba. Alibaba also, so tingnan natin dito. Okay, Alibaba is doing now a possible bottom. Tingnan natin kung mag-sustain sa baba si Alibaba because of the earnings report. Bumagsak lang siya ng isang quarter. Nag-react na yung mga tao. Okay, Facebook. So, kay Alibaba. So, tingnan natin. We are nearing the support. I did buy this last week. TSM. Ang ganda ni TSM. Made a breakout. Yun nga lang. It will sustain. It's still on the resistance. We don't know. Okay, but on the current sentiment or the current setup, I can actually put it. Ito one rule. The longer the consolidation, the higher the price. So this is a very very big consolidation. Two things lang yan. Is it a consolidation or is it a distribution? So only way to find out is if it's gonna break out. So kaya hold ko na to hanggang MA20 will fall out. TSM ko na to. So i-hold ko yan. Nagdagdag ako dito recently. Pag nag-breakout pa, dadagdag ulit ako. Yan, isa ng mga nakikita natin yan. On the current sentiment ni TSM. Pinapakita ko lang sa import ko para at least kung masabayan nyo better. Okay? Sabay-sabay tayong panalo at talo. So, the longer the consolidation, the higher the price goes. TSM is very, very good so far. We just wanted to confirm the breakout para masakyan natin yung momentum na to. So, on the opening, it's respecting the resistance. Tingnan natin kung magkakaroon ng retracement. So, ako dyan, titrade ko na yung MA20. Bibili ako ng MA20. Okay, let's go to ano ba dito? Nasdaq, tapos na tayo dito. Okay, ito. Yan, ma'am, kailangan mo talaga mag-masterclass kasi hindi hinuhold si Tesla ng ganyan. Overvalue si Tesla. Okay, baka lang because alam mo yung hype. Oo. Uh, sige. Sige, ito tayo dito. 2 minutes before the market open. Okay. One quick basic lang, Miss Ma'am, no? Ito. This one. Okay, one basic rule. Hindi ibig sabihin na isang stock umaangat, maganda ng pasukin for long term. Okay? May dalawa lang yan. Ito. This is the intrinsic value of a company. So, this is value ng company. This is the value of the company. When I talk about the value of the company, it's backed up by earnings, backed up by savings, backed up by cash flow. Okay? The emotions of investors make the price go excited just like that, no? The emotions of retailers. But in the end, your intrinsic value, your value of the company based on earnings, based on cash flow, and based on your earnings per share will meet along the way. Where do you want to buy? At the top or at the bottom? Of course, on the bottom. If the company is doing good in earnings, in earnings per share, in cash flow. If the company is not earning and the company is at the top, okay, later they will realize this company is not earning pala. Okay, this is a lot of hype. Babalik at babalik yan to the intrinsic value. So, that's why in investing, first thing you need to do is invest in yourself para hindi ka bumibili sa tuktok. Para hindi ka bumibili sa tuktok. Yes, there are still question na kahit bibili naman ako sa magandang company as long as it will go over time, mag-average down ako. Eh, abangan mo na lang dito. May mga companies na magagandang companies nasa baba at undervalue yung mga yan, about to go up. Sayang yung oras na dinugugol mo sa mga ganito tapos mabagsak. Okay? So, one thing is Tesla. It's a lot of hype, but the company is galing kasi gumawa ng PR ni Elon Musk. But the earning is not kumbaga parang yung earnings niya is not kumbaga parang hindi siya nagano sa price. Sobrang over premium. Just to give you lang para mabilis na lang. Para meron tayong ano dito. Morningstar. If you want to subscribe to Morningstar, you need to pay 2.5. But if you're part of the Elite Club, you are free to get all these informations. Okay, Elite Club is this one. So Elite Club is we're researching for you. We're doing the part for you. O yan ang Elite Club. Yan. Okay, there you go. Look at Tesla. Okay, look at Tesla. Para may mga matulungan po tayo. Okay. 67% premium. So it's overpriced by 67%. If you're gonna do investing, you're buying the company double the price of its value. If you're gonna do trading, yes, you can do that. O yan, katulad yan. Pwede mong gawin yan. Breakout trade. Pwede mong gawin. Kumita ka. Pero long term, hindi maganda. Pero ayun, nakakatakot to. Daming mga gaps. Yan. So it's a matter of time that the bearish, short ko to honestly. Pag nakita natin yan, nagkaroon ng red candle, tapos nakita tayo dito ng resistance, short ko to. Si Tesla. Kasabay ako kay Michael Burry, shorting Tesla. Okay? Alright, there you go. Let's go. But Tesla is a good company, no? Like EV, rocket, no, it's still a matter of time kung kukita ba si company or not. Yun naman yung always tanong doon. That's the stock market. Okay, donut. Si natin dito si donut. Donut. Okay, what happened to you, donut, after the false breakout? Okay. Bumili ulit ako ng bagsak na yon. Tingnan natin yung trend. Ito yung nangyari sa trend, guys, no? Oh, yan, isa rin yan, no? Ang ganda ng pinakita niya, nag-support, then wrap down. Ngayon, ang buhay sa atin dito is may price action. So, good tayo dito so far. And then, isa din dyan, kung mag-trade below yan here, then we cut loss. Very simple lang na analysis. We are seeing a support. We are seeing the support. This is the next resistance natin. So far, we're doing good. I am also red in data. Red din ako dyan. Oh, nabagsakan din ako. 'Di ba? Ito nga nakakainis, 10,000 na 'yan, bumagsak pa eh. Ano ba 'yan? Na tagal talaga nito, January pa. Naku, bumabagsak pa lalo si ACB. No. Tingnan natin kung mabuhay ito. Baka bumagsak to si ano, mababawas ako kay ACB. Alright, let's go. NMDM, gold. NMDM. Let's go to NMDM. NMDM. NMDM, yan din, isa rin to. Yan, mga to. Yan, ako, delikado. Breakdown. We can see a breakdown of the trend. Check natin kung merong... Ba't nasa baba kasi yung ano ko? Nasa baba yung ticker ng pantago ng mga indicator. Anyway, ganyan na siya. Oh, NMDM, ayan na, nag-downtrend na siya ng todo. So, wala tayong gagawin dito. It's just to wait for a next. Oh, yan, ang bagsak nito. Bab, see you here. Yan, possible bagsak nito for NMDN. Meron din yata ako nito. Baka i-cutloss ko na yung later. O rally ko later. ENB Chidori. Tingnan natin. May Chidori. Okay. Ako, grabe yung port ko. From 12,000, nagbagsakan. Si Neo din, no? Saan si Neo, guys? Tinitrade. Inaral ko yung financials ni Neo. Not good din eh. Kaya, baka i-TP ko na to pag nag-end ng trend. Ahalisin ko yung Neo ko. I'm just rooting for the China market kasi nito. ENB. China market reversal. Neo. Okay. Neo, Chidori. 1, 2, 3. Pwede. Pwede to. Price action. Hanap na tayo. Price action. Pwede tayo maghanap ng price action dito. Good find. Coach Reginald. To, yan, ang ating watch lister. Pwede tayong bumili. Okay, ganito siya. Pwede tayong bumili dito. Yan. 1, 2, 3. Oh, pwede pala to. Wala akong pera edge eh. Pero pwedeng bumili to opening. Mayroon tayo price action. Ang hirap maghanap ng price action nito, Reg. Ito, dito, no? Yan. 20 few percent. Yan. Okay. 1% down. Siguro around this area, trigger ka dito ng mga set order ka dito, Reg. Pwede. Kung hatiin mo sa dalawa, isang dito, opening na yan, isang dito, para sure. Within this range. Kasi dito yung price action eh. Support. Dito yan, no? Plus ito. Ang gulo na itsura niya eh, no? O yan, tingnan natin. Fibo natin para sure. O yan, wala nga Fibo. Below 618 pa. So, ayan. Yan yung isa possible dito. 2 buys siguro to. 2 buys on this opening and then this area here. Price action. Yan. Okay. Xiaomi, ENB. Yon, waiting for price action. Sakto. Alam mo, Red, isa yon. Isa pang statistics na backtest. Pansin mo si trade ko. Si trade call natin. Pag nakakita ka ng pasok sa setup, set order ka 2% sa closing price from the previous price. Example, ito, yan. Yan, example yan. Set order ka ng mga 2%. Yan, dito yung trigger niyan. Yan, okay. Pag di tinamaan, ibig sabihin hindi pa siya Chidori. Yan. From the closing price, nang nag-chidory siya, dito yung 2%. Usually to be safe. Para kung hindi mo kaya mo bantayan yung price action, 2% below the closing price. Isa yan. I-update ko yung masterclass about it. Okay. RBN. RBN, wala na to. Ano to guys? Ito. Isa rin to na speculative stock. But price action tells us so far. Okay. Tingnan natin kung ayun, hindi nga na-sustain, no? RBN. Hindi nag-sustain yung mga hold buy. Kaya na. It tells us that RBN may see in the 113 area. Kung dyan mag-bounce better, wala nga lang price action pa doon, pangit, no? So, around this area possible. Next nito. Wala, basta tingnan natin din kung mag-hold to. Isa rin yun na pwede nating tingnan. Pero pangit ang price niya. Baba. Pangit. Pinata natin yan. Tapos na tayo kay Baba. We are waiting for the bottom again here. Since dito siya nag-bounce before, expected na dyan din malaking opportunity, malaking probability na dyan din yan umangat. Asan dito yung aking ano? Paano ko ito yan, guys? Yun, nagtatago pala kasi. Yan. Okay, there you go. Huwag kasi sa visible Tamo ma'am, inipon mo yan. Pinasok mo ng masterclass, natutukan pa kita. Ayan. Sayang pera guys. May mga work hard niyan. If investing ka lang pero ayaw mo naman mag-aral, doon ka sa mga good companies, yung mga kilala nyo. Start with that. McDonald's, yung mga kilala nyo, mga Facebook, Nvidia, pero bilhin nyo sa mababang presyo. Unity Software. Let's go to Unity Software. Unity. Tingnan natin. Baka may makita tayo. Okay, si Unity Software is breaking out. Uy, nakakita ako ng 8 gates, guys. Why? Yeah. Okay, breakout. 1, 2, 3. Uy, malapit na to. Kasi pwede ako mag-test buy dito, boss. Sa Unity Software mo. Okay, pero kung price action is what we're gonna talk about, pwede tayong mag-entry this area. Ayan. So, pili ka na lang ng presyo dito. Or breakout. Ayan. Breakout nito. Yan. So, pili ka ng presyo dito. Review natin Oh, may momentum pa siya. Ito, pwede to. So, pili ka ng presyo dito between this range. Ayan. Pwede to. Then, cut loss ka lang ng maikli kaya. Pili ka dyan. Ayan. Or dito. So, mamili ka na within that range. Lagyan na natin to sa 8 gates technique. 8 gates technique. Ayan. 8 gates. Unity. Yan naman gusto ko sa may mga nagpapachart kasi nakakakita ko ng setup. Ayan. So, tingnan natin dito. Baka na natin yan. Breakout or retracement within this period. Okay? KBC, Chidori. KBC, mga Chidori. Technology, huwag ka kay Chidori KG. Pwede to. Ito mga entry. Nag-price action is here. Ito pwede to. Malapit na mag-break sa 30. Yan. Ito possible to buy na ngayon. Tapos another buy here, dalawang bili. So from the opening 3%. So from that point, cut loss mo lang dito, lagyan mo na ng cut loss ng 6%. Or kung gusto mo medyo is 2%. Dito lang. Risk reward 6%. Dito 13. 1:2. Pwede. Yon. Okay. Yan. Pwede na yan. Go ahead. Pwede to bilhin today KBC. Chidori yan, Chidori. KBC. Wala akong pera eh. Ano ba yung KBC ko? Sa Hong Kong ba to? O tama ba to? O iba? Ayan. Next tayo. CBC, Dogecoin, Netflix, Dogecoin, Doge USD. Tapos tayo sa crypto eh. Latak si Dogecoin. Latak talaga pa. Wala pa tayo nakikitang entry kay Dogecoin. Sige, Dogecoin ka eh. Ano din, hindi ko na tinitingnan. Okay, for Dogecoin naman natin, wala akong nakikitang setup kay Dogecoin. Unless ito yung tinitingnan mo. Itong trend line. So, tinitingnan mo yung trend line, pwede naman siya. Okay, mas routing ako dito kasi, ano, pwede naman, pwede siyang i-test buy. Okay, mababa naman yung risk niya. So, okay naman so far. Ayan, Yamsi. Ito ba yun? Yamsi, double bottom. Okay, ayan. O, yan. Saktong-sakto. Nag-bottom confirmation candle. O, ito. Ang bili. O, meron pang bounce sa RSI 30. O, may divergence pang binigay. Ayan o. Just kompleto Ricardo naman pala to eh. O. Meron pang Rasengan entry. Kompleto yung mga setup guys. O, diba? Ayan o. Double bottom. Tapos, divergence, Rasengan, entry. O, yan ang mga binibili. O. Lagyan natin yung fundamentals. Consumer restaurants. Kasama pa siya sa consumer. Diba? Lagyan natin ng fundamentals. Yan natin kung okay ba siya pang long term or trading lang. You can find a lot of this in the Elite Club. 38% discount. Wide economic mode. Diyos ko, kompleto Ricardo. 38% discount. Diba? Yan ang mga binibili, guys. May technicals ka. May technicals kang double bottom. Momentum pa yan. Bounce pa siya. Lagyan pa natin ng Fibonacci ito. Tingnan natin sa pinaka-major Fibo. Ito. Sa manas first nag-ascend. Ito ang pinaka-last. Ito major na lang. Pinaka-major. Yan. May 3.8 to ka pa. Diyos ko naman. Major na major pa ng Fibo. Ayan. Diba? Yung mga binibili guys. Momentum. Diba? Sa pa. Ano pa ba natin dito? Kompleto pa. Yan. Below intrinsic value. Support channel. Ayan. Diba? Support channel. Ito pa. Isa. Fundamentals. Tingnan natin yung earnings. Yan ang matutunan nyo kay masterclass. Okay? Kung magano kayo sa masterclass, tuturo namin yan. Dadagdagan natin yan ng ito pa isa. Bibigyan. Ito isa, mga intrinsic value. Lalagyan natin yan. Mahaba yung oras natin pag nilagyan ko pa ng intrinsic value. Ito na lang tayo, Finvis. Para diretso. Maganda yung nakita mo, Vince, align sa sector, align sa technicals, align sa, ang dami natin nakitang pwedeng bilhin. Yamsi. Grabe, ganda naman itong China Holdings na to, Yamsi na to. China market pa, no? PEG ratio, overvalue konti. Company is expected to grow by 18%. Overvalue konti. Okay, overvalue siya ng konti because of the PEG ratio bite. Intrinsic value na lang yung magde-dictate niyan. Okay? So, ayan, pwede itong bilhin. You have a good stock. Overvalue ng konti sa PEG ratio, but definitely, dami yung, ayan, risk-reward. Risk-reward nyo dyan. Yan lang risk mo, imagine mo, tapos ito reward mo. Pili ka na. Yan, nakita mo ma'am. Yan. Yan. Yamsi Holdings. Yun nga lang, wag mo mag-allocate ng malaki din. Kasi China stock. So, China stock, because of regulations, kaya yan bumagsak. So, ako sa inyo, mga 3% lang. Huwag niyo pabutin hanggang 5%. Pero so far, maganda naman yung China market eh. So far. Nag-hold naman na yung price. So, ayan ang isa yan. Saka expected to grow yan next year. Yan. Double bottom. Rasengan, divergence, fundamentals, 'di ba? Risk reward ratio. Okay, kompleto. Kita nyo, 'di ba? So, 'yun. Sige, next tayo. May pa isa din si Vince. Coach yan. Coach. Yan natin itong Sam. Okay, so ano to? Consumer beverages. Okay, wala pa tong base. Hintayin natin yung base. So, itsura pa lang. Ayoko muna. Hintayin natin yung base. Wala pa tayong nakikitang base. Pero may divergence na siyang pinapakita. Ayan, may divergence na pala. Pero wala pang base. Baka pag na-create yung base plus yung divergence mag-hold. Pwede. Ayan, may divergence na. Wala pang base. So, ayan. May gap. Ganda rin, di ba? Price action, malapit na sa previous support. So, tingnan natin. Baka mag-stabilize yan dito. So, tingnan natin dito. Okay. Another one. PIL Polaris. PIL Polaris. Ano ba ito Polaris? Yun. PI Polaris. Meron dito. Ito ba yun? PIL Polaris. P Polaris. PIL Polaris. If you're trading because of this one, may nakita ba tayo dito? Trend line dito. Medyo alangan ako dito kasi yung ano niya, yung mga highs niya pa downtrend. Second, ayan yung buong trend. Second, demand supply nasa below ng mga moving average. So, delikado tayo dito konti. So, initially, hindi ko muna to. Fundamentals. Okay. Below na kasi 200. Doon pa lang. Ayoko na eh. Wait lang. Tingnan natin. Funda. PIL Polaris. Okay. Tingnan natin Funda. Tingnan muna tayo. PL Polaris. Ito ba yun? PIL Polaris. Tingnan natin Funda. Ang hirap naman napin yan. Hirap po napin. Hindi hirap naman na ito. PII ba yan? Yun. PII nga. Ito, Funda. Anong sector ba to? Hindi ko kilala yung company eh. Consumer. Mas maganda, trading above na lang kayo guys sa ano? Sa 30% discount. Very good. Financials. Tingnan natin financials. Income statement. Hoy, may bago ako natutunan. Kung gusto nyo makita ng 5 years, reuters.com. Ayan, dito tayo dyan. Titingin tayo dyan. Income statement. Revenue, net income increasing. Very good. Net income increasing. Past 3 years. Diba? Trend line. FDW. Okay naman, so far. Yung 2020 lang sila, bumaba ng konti yung revenue, no? Okay, cash flow. Very good. Umaangat din. Check, di ba? Balance sheet. Debt decreasing. Asset increasing. Very good. Ganda rin. Ganda rin ng mga nakikita nyo, ha? Dito isa. Saan yung Finbiz? Dito rin, meron dito. Dito, tingnan dito, guys. Dito, mas kita nyo dito yung 5 years na funda. Ayan. Okay. So far, pero technicals na lang ang gusto natin makita. Buy it to the very, very good support. Pwede na. Or ano, reversal. So, since discounted ba siya, very good. Technicals na lang. So far, check na siya. Tingnan mo lang yung peg ratio. Wide moat. Di ba? Yan ang mga low palupit. DocuSign. FedEx. Dami na kitang regional na na mga chidori. Ito, mga quick bucks na to, guys. Turahin na natin to. O, mga quick bucks na to eh. O, may price action pa. Diba? O, above MA 200 pa. So, ayan. Entry na to. Diba? Ayan, o, tuyot na siya. O, eto, automatic na to. Kung may pera kayo, bilhin nyo na to. And buy na to, no? O, dalawang buy. Isang opening ito. Dalawang buy. Isang, example, budget mo to $100. Dalawa. Isang 100 dito, isang dito. Hold it at least 10 days. Okay, 10 days at least. Then, or cut loss below this one. Mga 2-3%. Ito, mga chidory. Yan. Oh, bili na. Bili na to. Okay. Oh, yan. Oh. TP nyo rin. Dami nyo pwede TP. RSI 40. Diba? Maniwala kayo dyan. Maniwala kayo to. Pag nagsalita yan. Oh, mga yan. Tapos tingnan nyo. Maniwala kayo dyan. Okay? Pakita ko sa inyo bakit. Wait lang. Paano ba hanapin yun? Okay. Yung Chidori na yan, itong Chidori technique to, papakita ko sa inyo guys. If you're not part of the masterclass, pakita ko sa inyo yung result ng Chidori setup. Okay. At this analysis on your screen here, okay, it's back tested in the past 10 to 15 years. It made a lot of money in the past 10 years, 15 years. Then it's forward tested in Wise Investors PH at 90% win rate. 90% win rate. Hindi po tayo nagbibiro diyan, no. Hindi tayo screenshot ko na lang. Okay. Ituturo sa masterclass, syempre, ano yun, mga 90% matindi. Ito, pakita natin sa mga viewers natin. Ayan. So, ito yung result ng trade calls namin, guys. Yan, Chidori. Ayan yung result, guys. Since last year, so it is trading, this account is trading, yung Chidori setup na yan, 142 trades, 88% profitable. This year, it's earning 28%. In 142 trades, 88% profitable with an earnings of doing versus the market at this rate. Sa 142 trades, 90% nga backtesting eh. Tumikita siya. That's statistics setup masterclass. Yun pala, isang topic lang yan. Isang topic pa lang. So, promise, okay? Nvidia. Okay, Nvidia. Tingnan natin si Nvidia. Okay, si Nvidia. Alright, so if you know how to do momentum, pwede si Nvidia pasukin. Pero if hindi marunong, wag na lang. Okay, wag na lang si Nvidia. Okay? Please, wag niya lang habulin si Nvidia. Pero nakita siya ng breakout. Ang delikado lang dito, baka magkaroon ng bearish divergence if magkaroon ng red candle. Okay? Tahimik na lang ako. Elite Club, di ba? Tahimik na lang ako. Okay. Ilang beses ko na kasing nalagay sa Elite Club eh. Foot Locker. Retail apparel store. May gap down tayo. Meron tayo nakikita dito. Chill lang siguro to muna. Hindi pa to kasi fully delikado pa kasi itong area na to. So, medyo delix pa siya. After the breakdown, we wanted to break out here again or retest this support again. So, medyo delikado pa. Okay, KKR. Hidori din. KKR. Ito. O, yan. O, ito din. Dami siya ko pagsap. Kaya ito, i-add nyo to si Reginald. Single pa yan. Diba? Ang galing mag-watchlist, no? Yan. Bili na. Ito mga binibili, guys. Finance, no? Nag-support. No, 'di ba? Kanina nagtantingin tayo. Hanap tayo ng support sa financials kasi yun yung malapit sa support. Ayan, nakikita kayo setup, KKR. Nililibre na kayo ni Reginald ng mga stocks, ha? Bibili nyo na lang. Okay. Gusto niyo makita si Reginald. Yan. Papakita ko si Reginald. Yan. Coach yan sa masterclass. 'Di ba? Tingnan mo yung mukha. Fresh na fresh. Okay? Okay, so in the Elite Club, meron siyang watch listing Sunday. Okay? And how to teach you how to do watch listing in Trading View. Okay? So yan, sa Elite Club. So if you're part of the masterclass, free din yan. Tuturuan ka niya mag-watch list, mga setup ng masterclass. Plus, Elite Club member ka din. Nakakasali ka dito. So, meron na parang tinatawag na preparation for the week. Anong mga titingnan mo na stock? Isa-scan na lang lahat yan ni Reginald by sector. Titingnan din niya same process. Ano bang meron sa sector? Financial, abangan natin kasi malapit na sa support. Kaya ngayon, dami niya kino-comment. Yan. Ginawa niya nung Sunday. So, attend the masterclass or be part of the Elite Club kasi yan, nakikita niyo si Reginald dyan. Yan. So, yan. Okay, kita nyo, yan, ito yung may KKR. Kita mo, breakout. Diba? Ano ba isa niya kanina? Ano ba isa mo kanina, Reg? Intesta. Diba? Intesa. Buy. Chidori setup. 90% win rate. Dahil sa dividend, bumagsak. Yan na. Kompleto na. That's why si Versus PH, guys. Okay. Profits is our results. Plug. Let's go to plug. 11 o'clock na pala. Ang bilis, no? Plug. We had the breakout here. We wanted to retest the breakout. I'm seeing a bearish divergence kasi. So, medyo alangan ako dyan. So, maalangan ako kay plug. So, we wanted to see it trading below here. Again, retest lang. Gusto natin mag-breakout muna to. If not, wala tayong gagawin dyan. Okay, ito pa isa. Ang daming, din bumabagsak na yung market ngayon. Si Reginald, hype na hype sa, hype na hype sa Chidori. Chidori. Pwede naman, no? Napakalakas, no? Supply zone rule. The closer is the closer the closer the demand zone, the stronger. So your demand zone are here. So breakout plus Chidori setup. So ayan, you can see a lot of Chidori setup there. Yan, Reginald, may fan ka na. Reginald, please contact me. Help and guidance. May gusto kumuha ng number mo. Hindi ko alam sino yan. Okay. Panda W. Okay. Nag-enjoy tayong tonight, no? Panda W. We wanted to see a green candle. Also, this one, we have a trailing divergence bearish here. We want to see it the breakout and we want to see it a green candle. We want to see a pure green candle with a strong volume. So, wala pa tayo ngayon. So, another story if magkaroon to ng consolidation there and i-breakout yung momentum. So far, wala pa tayong gagawin sa kanya. Okay? For now. Pero good find as well. Okay, so mga abangan natin itong UNP, Unity, ano pa ba dito? So far, tsaka yung mga nasa Chidori natin. Dami sa Chidori, Yung mga kanina, yung mga kay Reginald, tingnan nyo na yun kung may pera kayo. Titingnan ko rin yung aking port. Okay, so before we actually end our session tonight, let me just share with you guys yung kanina yung pinakita ko, this one, itong mga stocks na to, binibigay po yan sa Elite Club. So, ito mga yan, so binibigay yan if you libre yan binibigay sa Elite Club. So, let me just pull you out the Elite Club here. And anong meron sa mga anong meron sa Wise Investors PH community. So, if you want to be part of the community where profits is our results, then you can diba, be with us, no? Be with us. So, this sport is earning, honestly, all-time high nito was 12,000 because of the current crypto transition. Bumagsak na, but in the past 12 months, it's 300%. This year, it's almost earning around 70% so far in the whole year. So, nag 100% na nga yan, bumagsak lang. Because of the Elite Club information, aside from the masterclass techniques that we have, the setups, all those things, the watch list, the community that it provided, the Elite Club is one way for you to get the edge. So what is the edge for this one? trade calls is one way. So, titingnan mo dyan, kami na po ang nagsiset ng trade calls. So, example, this one, no? MAR. So, itong mga to, binibigay na, i-enter mo na lang on the price. Papakita ko din sa inyo yung mga kaninang tinitingnan nyo. So, tingnan natin dito. May mga nakikita dito, Nvidia. Lang Nvidia ba to? Hindi pala dito, sa Elite Club. So, okay, so mga price action, sa mga research, andito yan. Example, hanap tayo ng current, Ayan, sasabi ko, watch listing. Di ba? Binida na kita, Reg. Para marami mag-add sa Facebook, Reg. Kita mo yung Okay. Dito, hanap tayo dito ng stock. Siyempre, wag yung recent. Parang binigay na natin libre. Tingnan mo dito, yung Nvidia, Nvidia, hanapin natin 1 hour mark. Okay. Saan dito yung 1 hour mark? Oops. Nawala. Saan dito? Dito yata, nakalimutan ko. Ito na lang. Pinaka si Pfizer. So it was recommended to buy it. Okay? If we establish a green candle with the we can buy bullish sentiment. So we wanted to buy it 4409. Tapos because of a catalyst, may catalyst tayo dyan. It was very well explained. Look at Pfizer. So hindi siya at least very peak, no? So lahat kami kumita kay Pfizer. So from the buy point here, kumita po lahat ng member ng around 20% so far. So that's that's one way that you can actually see on the Elite Club subscription. So Elite Club subscription natin, guys, we are investing to informations. All the majority of the money here is put into research and development. Put it together, share it to the environment. Yesterday, guys, just to give you one, bumili tayo ng almost 200,000 worth of information for a combination of the masterclass and for the Elite Club. Bumili tayo yesterday. So, yung mga earnings dyan natin, accumulated, nire-reinvest ni Wise Investments. Bakit? Kasi kikita din ako eh. Kikita din ako. So, yun, no? So, mas better yon. Mas gusto ko yung we use it to create more money than pocket it, no? So, yun siya. And good thing about it is we're investing even in Forex. 90% of trade calls in Forex, reports, learning unlimited learning yan. So, ma-embody mo yan to create more money. Kasi ikaw yung mismong armament, no? Ikaw mismo yung weapon. So, that's why we invest. The community, we are a community of learners. Isa yan. So, this one, no? If you want to be part of this cause, if you want to be part of this club, please visit our page. Also, like yung mga busy dyan, yung mga walang pakialam sa mundo, tapos gusto lang mag-automated robot trading. We also have that. We have Izanagi. By the way, no? We bought two servers. For Izanagi. 32 to 36 members. May 4 na slot. Napuno na yung 20. Bumili na kami ng server para hindi na maghintay yung 16 to 18. Pwede kayo mag-open ng Izanagi dyan. So, based on the automated natin, ito ang Izanagi port. For example, yung client ko na lang na may million. Naglagay ng 1 million kay Izanagi. Diba? Tingnan mo yung mga kinaka-copy trade nyo. Yan yung kinaka-copy trade nyo. Compare sa robot. July 28. Lupit to. Tuloy-tuloy earnings ni Kuya. Pwede niyang withdrawin yan anytime. So, July 28, 23 siya nag-start. Kumita na yung pera niya dito. Malaki-laki din. Almost. Si Kuya. Tapos sabi niya, ako, parang ganda na earnings si Izanagi. Open pa ako 1 million pa. Isa. Hindi ako to, kliyente ko to. Okay. Yan. Unang earnings na ng 4,000 pesos isang araw. 1,000 to 4,000 pesos ang araw. Grabe, no? Nag-start siya ng October 26. So, magwa 1 month, kumita siya ng almost 20,000. Wala pang 1 month. Almost na to. Magto 20,000 siguro to na profit. Kasi may open positions pa to eh. May open positions pa ba to? Wala na pala. Na-close na pala. So, 15,000 sa buwan. Without doing anything. Yung account ko, drawdown pa. Pero yung account ni WIPH is 247 already. January 18, currently it's earning around 25,000 to 10,000 to 25,000 a month. Automated, full automated. Ito ba yung maganda? Isa pa. I'm really excited about Valkyrie kasi si Valkyrie lakas ngayon. Si Valkyrie as well is doing well. Ganda din ng performance si Valkyrie. Binibigyan ako ni Valkyrie ng how much binigyan ni Valkyrie per month. So, ayan, binibigyan ni Valkyrie per month, 20,000 din. So, capital natin dyan is 150 lang. So, Valkyrie is auto-compounding robot. So, as it the position, the larger account, the more position it will open, but less trade. Very picky trade. 1 trade, 2 trades a day. Yung ginagawa ni Valkyrie. So, yung ganda, no? So, tatlo yung account natin kay Valkyrie. Meron pa tayo isang account ni Valkyrie. Lahat gaining, no? Yun yung maganda doon, no? Lahat gaining. Automated, di ba? Stress-free, kape-kape na lang. Okay, ito isa, 15% risk natin dito. Very choppy, pero tingnan mo, no? It's earning with 15% profits. 7%, no? Started. Meron din tayong mode 1. Mode 1. It's earning also 13% also. Yun siya. Yun yung maganda doon. So, fully automated siya, guys. Ina-observe ko na lang. So, yan. You can check this out also here on our page here on Wise Investors PH website. So, you can catch up with the remaining slots. Isa yan, guys, no? And last but not the least, yan. Ang daming bago ngayon sa masterclass. If you want to check our course, honestly, close na to this year. Okay, you can avail our course. I-update pa namin yung title kasi hindi naman yan yung mga title niyan. Mga setup naman yan. Yung mga details. But of course, it's a very, very, very value-adding course for everyone. May fundamentals pa na check. Yan. Okay? So, it's 11:08 in the evening. Pasarap ang ating mga kwentuhan. Of course, lahat tayo magkikita sa mga limpak-lipak na salapi. No? Tignan natin dito. Last natin to. Chido rin daw. Pag chido rin, na-excite ako dyan, Reg. Pero wala rin akong pera. Nasa point ako ngayon na gusto ko less trades na lang. Tapos long position na lang. Hold it until it's doing good. Until okay. At tipi-tipi lang. Yan, mga Chidori setup, daily time frame. Yan mga gusto ko. Tapos, once a day, isang oras lang. Di ba maganda ganon? Isang oras ka lang na-check ng chart. So, you can do a lot of things, pero kumikita. Ano ba dito? Luke oil. Ano ba yung Luke oil? Yan. Saan? Wala naman Ito? Elko? Oo nga, Chidori din. Chidori ba? Chidori din. Tama. Malapit-lapit na rin to. Yan. The price action mo, tinamaan na kanina, Reg. Almost. So, from the current price, I would suggest, from the current price, I would suggest to trigger it around, tinitrigger na pala to. Dito. Yan, 2%. Yan, ito. Diyan kayo mag-set order. Pwede na yan. Tapos hold it until 10 days. Ayan. Pwede na yan. Mga Chidori setup na to. Okay? So, ang dami natin nakita ang Chidori. Tingnan nyo sa chat box. Hal. Ano ba? Mga Chidori setup dyan. Ito, buy na to today. TP na lang dito dyan. Or dito. Pwede na yan. PanW. Ayan. Ano siya? Okay. Anong stock yan? Alright. Good. AAL. Mga di pa natin na-miss out pala yung iba, no? Extend tayo 5 minutes. mRNA. Resistance na to. Huwag nyo nang bilhin. mRNA, huwag nyo nang bilhin tong resistance. Ganda rin nung pasok natin dito sa ilalim, no? Sayang, no? Hindi na naka-atos ako. Hindi ako nakabalik, 30% gain yan, no? Nag-gap up. Okay. Ano pa ba dito? Huwag nyo nang balhin yan, AAL, ito, buy ito today. AAL is a buy for me today. AAL is a buy for me today. ABNB, natin yung mga na-miss out natin. ABNB, buy it here. May gap na pinakita. So, mga MA50, ABNB. Roblox. Okay na tayo, Huwag natin to. Roblox is, we wanted to check it in the next few days. Wala pa tayong setup ngayon. Nagko-consolidate pa siya sa taas. Tingnan natin kung babagsak yan dito sa price action or magbe-breakout. So far, momentum siya pero wala pa siyang entry for Roblox. But, pwede siyang abangan. Pwede na siyang abangan. Alright, so I think that's it. for tonight. Thank you so much for tonight, guys. Please do check our website. And also, I'm gonna see you on Wednesday again. By the way, our schedule will change this week. Wednesday and Thursday po tayo. Please abangan po natin. I would like to invite everyone pala. We're gonna have a webinar on trading psychology. We're gonna have, please do save the date, November 29, Monday next week. Okay, we're gonna have Jonathan Lou Reyes to talk about trading psychology. Please do wait for the invite so we can send you the invitation also. So yeah, there you go. So we're gonna see you guys. Thank you so much for tonight. May the market be with you always. This is John again, on Wise Investors PH. God bless and have a good night. Thank you so much. Bye.